下一站設有分段收費。下一站係告士打道維園。The next stop is Victoria Park, Westerville。
到咯喎，下一站落車。
下一站是告士打道維園。九巴由香港開篷巴士路線天際漫遊 HK2已經推出咗啦。每日黃昏開始，由九龍站同尖沙咀廣東道出發，等你喺開篷巴士上全方位欣賞昂船洲大橋同青馬大橋兩座標誌性宏偉基建，感受黃昏到夜晚嘅天際美景，再喺西九龍走廊上穿梭香港新舊城區，連接打卡必到嘅舊油麻地警署，一次過感受香港多重面貌。九巴仲有另一條開篷巴士路線城市魅力 HK1，喺尖沙咀碼頭出發，穿梭西九文化區、旺角、深水埗、黃大仙同九龍城，等你感受到香港嘅繁華同活力。快啲去坐九巴開篷巴士，欣賞香港迷人嘅天際線啦！KMB Tour Hong Kong Airport Bus HK2 Taiwan is now in service, departing every evening from Kowloon Station and Hanson Road in Shenzhen. Ride the open top bus and enjoy waiting on a view of two of Hong Kong's iconic engineering landmarks, the Stonehenge Bridge and the Tin Ma Bridge, as the skyline transforms from dusk into night. Then experience multiple facets of the city in one journey as you weave through Hong Kong's old and new districts on the West Kowloon Corridor before reaching the much-anticipated stop, former Yangtze Police Station. Be sure to also check out another KMB Airport Bus route HK1 Pingtung after stopping bus terminus in Shenzhen, which takes you through West Kowloon Cultural District, Mong Kok, Wong Tai Sin and Kowloon City, allowing you to soak in Hong Kong's bustling streets and vibrant, diverse urban character. Come and enjoy a 360-degree view of Hong Kong skyline. 九巴游香港开篷巴士路线天际漫游 HK2 已经推出，每天黄昏开始，从九龙站和尖沙咀广东道出发，让你在开篷巴士上全方位欣赏昂船洲大桥和青马大桥这两座标志性的